Okay, so Cookie's come early tonight. Come on then. Here we go. Come on, my babes. Here. I'll have to take that first one. I have to throw it to you, don't I? But yeah, trying to get it in natural daylight again. Then you can just see the lovely colours. How sort of like really red, orangey she is. Beautiful, aren't you? Yes. You beautiful girl. Yes, you are. Obviously the winter coat's nearly done. Summer coat's coming in. But you've just got such a lovely coloured face, haven't you? Yes. It's okay, there's just a cat running up the road. Okay. Right, let's have some chicken. Do you want some chicken? Got no cheese tonight because I forgot to do any. I forgot to cut it. I know, and you're just aware that you dropped that little bit, aren't you? Yeah, I know. Here we go. Good girl. You do clear up after you, don't you? Do you want a job? The housekeeping, perhaps? Do you fancy that? Don't snatch. Thank you. Good girl. That's a biggish piece. I don't want to give you a whole huge piece like that. Well, let's try it. There's a massive piece there because I didn't cut it up enough. Yeah, take a little bit to eat that one. Hold on a second. You're hungry, aren't you? Are you hungry? Yeah? No, wait a sec. Wait, just no, that's my fingers. Look here. It's dropped out. It's a small piece. I can't give you that because you'll bite my fingers. That's it. You got it. Well done, my darling. So, how's your day been? All right? Yeah. You had a good day? Where are the others? Haven't seen anybody else yet. You're first. Good girl. Right, do you want some of this chicken now? Here. 1, 2. Is that enough? Yeah, I could hear somebody walking somewhere. Do you want 3 then? There we go. 1. Oh, has she done it? No. 2. No, back to 1, 2. Oh, you're going to stop at 2 then. Come on. No, there's a car coming, so that's it. She's gone. Okay, I'm sure she'll be back for it. Okay, folks, that was Cookie. See you soon. Bye for now.